Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on browsing history on your Amazon shopping app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that. Just go down, you click here on down, and it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just click here on account, and it's going to take you to next window here. So it's going to show for you like this. You just go down here and you keep going, and you come here to so browsing history. You would click here, then it's going to take you to next window, and you click here on manage history. Then you just come here to browsing history. You click here on this mark, and like you see this color show for us, that's me browsing history. It's on now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I give it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So see you next video.